Good morning, students. We are learning about fractions. Today we are going to learn like fractions and unlike fractions. Now like means what? Like means same. Okay? Now I am going to give you some examples. 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. Now from these three numbers, there are two numbers whose denominators are same. That means the denominator here is 7 and here is also 7. Right? So the numbers or the fractions which are having same denominator or the equal denominators, these two denominators are equal. Okay, then these fractions are called as like fractions. Okay, and the numbers who's having different fractions or different denominators, then the numbers are called as unlike fractions. Now when we just talk about the first two numbers, if I talk about this 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 3, their denominators are different. So I am going to call them, suppose this is 2 by 3. Okay. So their denominators are different. So I am going to call them unlike fractions. You have understood what is like fractions and what is unlike fractions? I am going to give you more examples, okay? See, 4 upon 7 and 6 upon 7, their denominators are equal, so these are like fraction. Okay, and if you look at the denominators of these two, they are different, so they are called as unlike fractions. I hope you have understood. Now you have to write the definition of like fractions. So write down the fractions such as 4 upon 7 or 6 upon 7 whose denominators are equal are called as like fractions. And write down the fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay? Now we are going to see how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Now here are the two unlike fractions, 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9. Okay. Now to make this like fractions, we will have to have equal denominator. Okay. And to know what is that number, we will have to find the common multiple of 6 and 9. Common multiple. Common means what? Now let's write the multiples of 6 first. 6, 12, 18, 30 and so on. Okay. Now let's write the common multiples of 9, 18, 27, then 36. Here also we can take 36. Now if you look at these two, there are two common multiples. One is 18 and the second is 36. Okay. But we are going to take the lowest one. Okay. So we can take 18. So to make the denominator 18, what you have to do now? You have learned. Okay. If the number is 5 upon 6 and you have to make the denominator 18, what will you do? You will multiply this 6 by 3. Okay. And when you are multiplying this 6 by 3, you will have to multiply 5 by 3. So 5 3s are 15. This is the one number that we have got. Now let's do it with the same 7 upon 9. What you have to do? You have to write a number whose denominator is 18. Okay. So what will you do? You will multiply 9 by 2 so that you will get 18. So you will have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So 7 2s are 14. So this way, if you look at these two numbers, they're both, the denominators are 18. That means they are like fractions. Okay. So we have converted these unlike fractions into like fractions. How? By taking the multiple as the denominator. Okay. Taking common multiple of both the denominator as the denominator of the new numbers. Okay. Let's solve one more example. 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 4. Okay. So this is 7 and this is 4. We need to find the common multiple of 7 and 4 as the denominator of the new numbers. So let's do it. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. So let's write about the 4's multiple. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Okay. Now we have got this 28 as the common multiple of 7 and 4. So the new number will have denominator 28. So 4 upon 7 you have to convert into the number with denominator 28. Now what will you do with the 7? You multiply this with 4. 7 4s are 28. So multiply the numerator by 4. You have got 16 upon 28. So same way we are going to convert this 3 upon 4 into a number with denominator 28. So just multiply this 4 by 7 because 4 7s are 28. Therefore you will have to multiply the numerator also by 7. So 3 7s are 21. Which are the like fractions? These two are like because their denominators are equal. So we have converted unlike fractions into like fraction. I hope you have understood. If you have any difficulty, you can watch the video again and again. And if you still don't understand, you can definitely ask me. I'll see you in the Google Meet, okay? So have a nice day.